Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy very easy. First, collect all the delicious drippings from your roasted meat, like turkey or chicken, directly into a saucepan. These flavorful juices are the foundation of a rich gravy. Next, measure out your flour and have your broth or stock warmed and ready to go. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the roux, which is key for thickening. Place your saucepan with the drippings over medium heat. Once shimmering, gradually whisk in about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Keep whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Cook this mixture for 1 to 2 minutes, allowing it to turn a light golden brown. This step cooks out the raw flour taste, ensuring a smooth, flavorful gravy. With your roux ready, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in about 2 cups of warm broth or stock, whisking vigorously the entire time. This continuous whisking is crucial for a lump-free gravy. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and continue to cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until it reaches your desired thickness. The gravy will thicken as it cools slightly. Finally, let's perfect the flavor. Taste your gravy and season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. You can also add a pinch of herbs if you like. For an extra smooth consistency, you might want to strain the gravy through a fine mesh sieve before serving. Serve your delicious homemade gravy warm over mashed potatoes, turkey, or anything else you desire. Don't forget to check the description for links to other great deals, including smart speakers.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.